So the difference between a general contractor and a subcontractor is the general contractor is what I do, and we are overseeing the whole project. We're responsible for the whole project. And the subcontractors are people who do building trades that we don't do. So in our case, we have carpenters, we have site work people. They're the ones who dig holes in the ground and put in drainage and build foundations. And we have project managers who, as I described earlier, are the ones who are running sort of the business part of the job, keeping the money organized, keeping the orders going. So subcontractors, in our case, are electricians and plumbers, heating and cooling people, insulation people, roofers, all of these different specialties that are required for a house to be built, but who aren't the main ones who are having the relationship with the customer. So the customer comes and hires us and says, I want my house renovated. And that takes all those things I just said. But they're hiring us and we're hiring subcontractors. We hire subcontractors that we know very well and we trust. So they don't work in our company. They're not S+H Construction, but we have strong relationships with them. We know they're good, but they're working for us and we're working for the homeowner.